Hi, Steve here. Just a quick update from the workshop. I've got the little Ford Fiesta here that we're getting the cage done on, and it's I'll just do a spin around here, and here it is. We've got a fair bit of it done, well, the front section anyway, and we're working through that. It's going to come through to the front. And it does come through the front, comes through underneath there, but it's got triangulations to happen in here. The cage is not fitted in to the car as welded to the floor, I think, at the moment, and it's actually slid back from where it's going to be. You can see off the edge of the back plate, it's slid back off the back plate, and when I get all my bars welded on the insides, I'll reassemble it all and push it forward to where it's got to be. So that's where that one is. And then the Rallycar, the BMW, we started back on that. So all the flaps are on, and but silly me, I'm going to have to take them off again to radius this edge, because that will scratch you, scratch yourself on that. So there's my spare engine I've got for the car now, and all this side done up to there. Looking for an event in November, I'm thinking. So there it is. Just thought I hadn't done an update for a while. Yeah, so I'll get more done. Things have been happening and so on. That happens to everyone. So hopefully I can get more time out here and get this thing and this thing sorted.